even now, I look back and I realize that I wish I had spoken up or put my foot down or said, I'm not going to sit here for 8 hours while you act like my time is not as important as yours. I've been working since I was 12, 13, and I remember my first job in a clothing store. The boss came in and was like, what are you doing here? I was like, I want to make money. I want to work. I want to dress women. I want to sell clothes. And I think age has definitely been something that in my career people have been critical of. I think when I got my first client and I was 22, she was like, you're young, you don't even know. You're young. And not in a way where it was outwardly offensive. I think it's kind of funny and people are kind of like, wow, that's really impressive. But I think there's definitely an angle of you don't know because you haven't been through it, which I do think there's some sort of truth in, and I can own that and appreciate the fact that with age comes experience and comes knowledge. So I don't take it as an offense. I kind of take it as, yeah, I just have more time to learn and grow and be better and know what I like and what I want.